Good morning, class. Today I will continue chapter 3 in history, ruling the countryside. In this chapter, I'm already explained Britishers as a administrator introduced permanent settlement on lands in India to collect revenue. In permanent settlement, revenue was fixed. Okay, now I will continue this chapter. My first point is a new system is devised. Children, please understand because of the less revenue collection, British tried some other new method of revenue generation such as Mahalwari system and Rayatwari system. By the earlier 19th century, many of the company officials were convinced that the system of revenue had to be changed again because to get maximum profit. It means first of all, Britishers introduced permanent settlement to collect revenue, but when Britishers unable to increase revenue, then they introduced a new system of revenue. This system we known as Mahalwari system. This system introduced by Holt Mechanis in 1822. Repeat again. An Englishman, Holt Mechanis, devised the new system which came into effect in 1822. This was introduced in North India and came to be known as Mahalwari system. Okay. Features of Mahalwari system gave the revenue collection work to the village headman Mahal. Children, please understand in Mahalwari system, village headmen right to collect revenue from farmer and given to Britishers. But in permanent settlement, who had right to collect revenue? Collectors. And in Mahalwari system, village headmen. Okay. Revenue was not fixed permanently. Children, please understand in Mahalwari system, revenue was not fixed, but in permanent settlement, revenue was fixed. Okay. Next point, the Munro system. Children, please understand Britishers imposed different policies to collect revenue from farmer. Firstly, they imposed permanent settlement. Then they imposed Mahalwari system. Now they introduce Munro system. Munro system also known as Rayatwari. Okay. In the British territories in the south, a new system was devised which was known as Rayatwar or Rayatwari. Is it clear? Rayatwari introduced by Captain Alexander and Thomas Munro. Okay. Rayatwari was initiated by Captain Alexander Reed and Thomas Munro. This system was extended all over the South India. Features of Rayatwari. In this system, Rayats were directly involved for the collection of revenue. Children, please understand in permanent settlement, collector collect revenue, then give it to Britishers. In Mahalwadi, village headmen collect revenue from farmers and give it to Britishers. But in Rayatwari, Rayat means farmer or peasant. In Rayatwari system, directly farmers gave revenue to Britishers. Okay. Revenue was fixed after the proper assessment of individual land. Children, in Rayatwari system, revenue was fixed. Okay. British officials were appointed to collect the revenue. In Mahalwari system, British officials were appointed to collect revenue from farmers. Okay. All was not well. Children, please understand during in this period when Britishers imposed permanent settlement, Mahalwari system and Rayatwari system to collect revenue from farmer, many problems faced by farmers. What were these? First, fix revenue rate very high. Children, please understand, it was common problem which was faced by farmers. Revenue rate was very high. They were unable to pay land tax to Britishers. Peasants were forcibly evicted from their land. If any peasant failed to pay their land tax or revenue, so Britishers forcefully evicted from their land. Okay, that is why farmers or peasants against British or Britishers, and they started struggle and clashes happened at different places. Okay, now I'm repeat all the point. Today we learn. Firstly, Britishers introduced Mahalwari system. This Mahalwari system introduced by Holt Mechanis in 1822. In Mahalwari system, village headmen collect revenue from farmers. Revenue rate was not fixed. Okay. Munro system, also known as Rayatwadi. This was introduced by Captain Alexander Reed and Thomas Munro. Okay, and feature of Rayatwadi. Rayat means farmer. In Rayatwadi system, a British official directly collect revenue from farmers. Revenue was fixed in Rayatwadi system. Okay. British officials were appointed to collect revenue. All was not well. Farmers or peasants faced many problems in Mahalwari system and Rayatwadi system because revenue rate was very high. They were unable to pay land tax to Britishers. If any peasant failed to pay their tax, then Britishers forcefully evicted from their land. Clashes happened at different places. That is why farmers against Britishers, and they started a struggle in different places against Britishers. Hopefully you understand this lecture. I will continue this chapter in my next video. Okay.